Stop copy paste. I know there's a bit of drama there. Copy paste is one of the first few things you pick up when you learn computer. You learn how to use Ctrl C and Ctrl V and start using it for everything. As Mark Twain once said, to a man with a hammer, everything looks like a nail. You want to copy an object on the slide and paste it on the same slide, you use Ctrl C, Ctrl V. You select this, press Ctrl C, Ctrl V and place it over here. You want to make multiple copies of the same object, you once again use Ctrl C, Ctrl V and place it over here. There are far better and more efficient ways to achieve the same result than using Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Let me show you what they are in this video. If you are a beginner in PowerPoint, these shortcuts can really save you a lot of time. But before that, I am Ramgopal from presentationprocess.com, the creator of Ramgopal's PowerPoint Mastery Program, a comprehensive and creative PowerPoint training program for professionals. First, you want to make a copy of an object on the slide and paste it on another place on the same slide. A much easier alternative is for you to hold the Control button down as you click and drag it to its new position. It's that easy. This simple operation can save you a lot of time whether you use it in PowerPoint or Word or Excel. Let us say you want to copy this object and place it exactly in a horizontal position to this original object. You add one more key to the operation, which is Shift. If you hold the Control and Shift button simultaneously and click and drag, you would be able to easily move this copied object in a horizontal position. The same way, if you want to copy this in a vertical position, hold Ctrl Shift, click and drag, and you will be able to have it in the vertical position. So remember Ctrl drag or Ctrl Shift drag to save a lot of time. Alright, let's delete this. There is one other shortcut that can save you even more time, and that is Ctrl D. Let me demonstrate how Ctrl D is so much more powerful than Ctrl C, Ctrl V operation. Let us delete this. Let us try and create a grid here. Let us go to AutoShapes Gallery and pick up the rectangle tool, and maybe we can draw a vertical thin bar like this, and maybe we can give this shape outline, no outline. Now I want to make a grid here. If I go the traditional route, I can select this, press Ctrl C and press Ctrl V and place it over here. And then once again press Ctrl C, Ctrl V and place it over here. I can continue doing this operation to fill this space. Then I can select everything, align everything, distribute horizontally, make a copy and then paste, rotate it. I can't even imagine how much pain is involved in making a grid using Ctrl C, Ctrl V operation. Let me show you a much easier and smarter way to do the same thing. Let us delete these. Let us select this object, press Ctrl D, that is the shortcut for duplicate. Now here is the magic. While this duplicate is selected, let me choose the place where I want to keep it. You can see that there is the smart guide that allows me to place it exactly in the horizontal position. Now I'm going to leave it. All I need to do is to repeat the same operation. I press Ctrl D. You can see that there is a copy made and pasted exactly in alignment with the previous two and in the same space distribution as the previous copy. Again, while I hold Ctrl button, keep hitting D again, and again. As you can see, I can keep doing this and I will have the set of perfectly aligned bars, equally spaced, and it saves me so much time. Now all I need to do is to select everything, press Ctrl G to group it, and then use Ctrl D again, and this time I'm going to rotate it by say right 90 degrees. And then I can just extend this to this side and this side, and I've created my beautiful grid. Now let me show you something even better. Let me select everything by pressing Ctrl A and then hitting delete. This Ctrl D remembers the spacing even if it is not vertical or horizontal position. Let us select this circle, hold the Shift button down and draw a circle. Let me press Ctrl D to create a duplicate, and I'm going to place it somewhere over here. This doesn't necessarily have to be exactly in a diagonal position. I can decide my place. So I'm just randomly keeping it in a place like this. Now let me hold the control button and keep hitting D over and over again. Can you see here? These corresponding objects, which are all copies of the original one, are placed in exact same line with the exact same spacing. So when you do Control D, you not only save on the number of keys that you use, that is Control C is one operation, Control V is another operation. By using Control D, you reduce one operation, which in the long run can save you some time. Plus you avoid all the headache of aligning things after you paste them. So stop using copy paste for everything. Use much smarter alternatives like Control drag, Control shift drag, or Control D to save on time and also save on some unnecessary effort. If you want to learn some more time-saving tips and tricks, please join our complete PowerPoint Foundation course. It's a comprehensive course that allows you to master the fundamentals of PowerPoint from scratch and gain confidence in building professional slides. The link to this product is in the description box below the video. Please click on the link and check out more details about this useful course. In the meantime, do you want to learn some simple and creative PowerPoint ideas you can use in your next presentation? Then click on the link here to join our 5-day free email course called 25 Creative PowerPoint Ideas. These are simple, quick and useful PowerPoint ideas I have not shared elsewhere. So go ahead, click on the link, join the course, and I will see you inside.